moving on to the fourth question. Will you enjoy your preparation phase? Yes, no, both, none. I got mixed response. Usually students say both. Let me clear something for you. See, we often neglect this aspect, but this is something which sustains your ability or your ability to work on a day-to-day basis. It's very simple. If you don't enjoy what you're doing, you cease to do it. On the other hand, if you enjoy what you're doing, no one is going to stop you. As simple as that. So are you going to enjoy your preparation? Yes, you will enjoy your preparation provided you know how to prepare, provided you have the right orientation, provided you have the right guidance.